Today we'll talk about how can you disable smart notifications on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on message and you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, come here to smart notifications, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here smart notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.